Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League on Fire TV. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open it. Now, as you can see right here, I'm currently using Google TV, but it really doesn't matter because it will still work regardless if you are using a Fire TV or a Google TV. So you'll just have to follow my steps in order for you to watch Premier League. So the very first thing that we need to do is to, of course, look for Google Play Store. So it doesn't matter where it is located. So you just have to find it. And in my case, in this case, it is located right here on in the apps section. And then once you open it, of course, we're going to look for the search bar. We're going to search for DAZN. And then we're going to click on search. And then just choose the first app right here. After that, install it. So all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And then once it is installed, just click on open. After that, what we're going to do is to click on accept. And then in this part, of course, we're going to click on get started. And then after that, what we're going to do is to just scan this QR code if you want to sign up this way. So basically, once you scan it through your phone, you'll have to sign up through your phone instead. So you'll put your name, your address, your zip code, the subscription that you want to avail, and then of course your payment method. Or you can just click on use remote to log in. Now, if you click on that, you'll have to put your email and password manually using your remote. And then after you do that, you can now log in into DAZN and then watch Premier League live. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.